Say hi, Alex.
Hi.
Hi, guys. Did you see the video when I was doing the pets? That was actually pretty cool, wasn't it? I didn't do it very long because a Loud House was on, and I really liked that movie because it was a new one. And right now, I just really got out of bed because you can see my TV's off. I know the windows are light, but my dad's awake, and he's gonna be coming down, and he's gonna be mad that I'm using this, because I am using his phone. Did you know that? Because it's white. I know you can't say the white, but bye. Actually, not bye, because Alex didn't wave hi very good.
Hi.
Anyways, hi. Oh, earbuds. Come on. I got effect in this ear. I mean, eye bugs. I got effect in this ear. Bye.